What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. I've got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I also have right here the trail band for the Watch Ultra. I think this one is titanium silver. But in addition, and these should be up on the channel by now, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 unboxings. Again, all of those are going to be on the channel. They should be on the channel by now. But yeah, these phones are phenomenal. They are great. I especially love this navy from Samsung. It's not even called navy blue. It's just called navy from Samsung. And also this Buds 3 Pro, which I'm super excited to check out. But yeah, let's get right into it. I have the Watch Ultra 2, so I may do a comparison video. But this is the device I'm really excited to kind of try out. Why is that kind of not in place? Huh. Like the sticker is not lined up properly, which is weird. So let's see if I can kind of rip that on. There we go. Let's remove this. I've got so many packages, like it's just, ooh, that looks really good. And we also got another trail band. So I got two, which is, I wonder if they're different sizes. We're gonna have to take a look. So there's that. Do we get anything here? Nope. Let's go ahead and put that aside. I'm actually gonna look to see real quick if these are different sizes, and they may be different sizes, may not. It doesn't say anything, so I assume they're gonna be the same. So let's put those aside for now. We got the watch right here. Why does this feel very Apple-like with all these stickers? Just makes it easier to open, yeah, but I don't know. A lot of people say the Watch Ultra kind of has the design of the Apple Watch Ultra, but I don't know. This doesn't really, wow, it's pretty heavy. This doesn't really look like the Apple Watch Ultra. It might have taken some design cues, but oh, this is super clean. Look at this watch. Now, this is not rotatable. It's not a rotatable bezel. But yeah, this watch is already looking clean. I think I might have to get some extra bands for this too, but I am really liking how this Watch Ultra looks. I don't know which one. Let's kind of try our luck and see which one opens it or turns it on. I think it might be the bottom button, or maybe the middle one, which is like the quick button, I think. Yeah, this is titanium silver. So let's go ahead, put that aside. We have to pair that up with a phone, but everything else should be like the USB-C cable and stuff are in right here. Again, we don't get an adapter. We just get the USB, or not the USB-C to C, but the puck right here. So let's put that aside. And I think that's it. We don't even get any manuals, which is weird. Okay. So it says welcome right there. Look at that. Galaxy Watch Ultra. And again, this is my unboxing. So like my actual review and comparison will be later, but it says you'll see a pop-up on your phone to help you connect. If you don't see it, try connecting in your phone's Galaxy wearable app or Bluetooth settings. So for the time being, and actually here's the thing, since I'm, it's a little inconvenient, but since I'm recording all of these, I still have to properly set up the Fold 6 and the Flip 6. So I will connect it to one of those, and I'll come out with a video later on just sharing my thoughts and impressions afterwards of actually using the software inside. But this casing is actually really nice. Just a quick rundown. It's a 47mm titanium sapphire crystal 1.5-inch AMOLED display. It's running the Exynos W1000, 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage, a large 590 milliamp hour battery. Apparently it has fast charging, I guess, Wear OS, obviously. It's got some sensors in here, so we're gonna try those out. And yeah, this is kind of directed towards the Apple Watch Ultra user. And just kind of to put this right here as a little perspective, there it is. $649 is the starting price, so it's definitely cheaper than $799 from Apple's Apple Watch Ultra. And you know, this box is kind of getting annoying, so I'm just gonna rip it open just like that so we can kind of pull this out, and also pull this out as well. Kind of rip this. There we go. So right here we got the user manual of how to put this on, and A, B, C, D, and E. So we're just gonna have to try this. Let's see. Just like that. That's initially how it should get on. Right there. So there it is, the Watch Ultra Titanium Silver with this trail band. Wow. In each of these videos I've been struggling to speak. I don't know why. Maybe it's my excitement. I'm not sure, but there it is. Honestly, I like how it looks. I really like and I dig the look of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Again, I will be putting up much more videos of this review comparison with the Watch Ultra 2 to share my thoughts. But let me know what you think. How does this look? It may look a little bit bulky, but again, I don't have really that large of wrists, so it shouldn't look that bad, but I like it. I like it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Definitely be sure to stay tuned to the channel. If you did, be sure to Superman that subscribe button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot, will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Also, Samsung Galaxy Ring is coming. This is not it. This is the Ultra Human Ring Air, but Galaxy Ring is also coming. I'll catch you guys in the next one.